The Mines Limited neshango muri Kirembo mu Ruburemba Division Kasese Municipality kandi emirimo yayo kemerezwa mu mwaka gwa 2082 bwa nyuma y'ebe ya kopa kushuma hamwe n'ebyo kwerinda kuba bibi umwanya ugo. Lois Bwambare umumbanya kachiko nagira ngo kwetebeekanisiza ziriyo zigendo mu misho okureba ngo kutimba kopa kwimuka busya. Abanyakachiko nibenda abanyakasese okushomesa abana babo okugira ngo betungire emirimo omu kutimba okukwaba kwatandikire.
So those who are expected to be employed, please improve on your skills of mining, of administration and what have you. So that when we advertise for jobs, the new investor together with the government advertise for jobs, be ready to take on those jobs.
First of all, the assets of government that are existing, we have seen that the entire mill is there, though in need of some renovation.
Abakurukuru go mu kachiko aka babwineho n'abakozi abatwira umwanya bari kurinda ebintu byasigirweho kandi bahamize ngo okutimba kopa kuri mu muhanda.
The president is extremely eager and he is dedicated. His interest is to see that the people of Kasese's well-being is improved. And if we get a good investor here, then all your well-being can be catered for.
Basically, since we shifted, we've not received any consignment from GMS, and this is posing a lot in terms of treating patients.
Okutimba kopa kwaba kwagarukire abantu bari kurenga 10 nibija kutunga emirimo. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.